I wonder if we're going to have the same luck today that we had yesterday on that pull. So, you picked. So what do you think, bud? You picked, I pick, you picked, I pick, or you picked a Grail, so you've got good luck, and you pick again?
Yeah.
Yeah, you thinking that one? All right. Nikki's going to keep it up. Good luck, Nikki. Now, before you do it, here's a question. Hang on, that's very loud. So if you get something we don't have, that would be good luck and you keep going. But even though we have a Grail, a second Grail is still probably pretty good luck.
Yeah.
So either way, maybe you're going to pick again. We'll see. All right. Something new. Common. Legendary. Common, uncommon, legendary, ultra Grail. So we need. Oh, rare.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wait, can we open it? We can open it.
We can. Wow. Number 205. We're not going to open this one. But it's a dupe, bud, so that means we gotta go again. 2 pulls, 2 Grails? How on earth did you manage this?
Imagine we go through the rest of these in one video by just getting Grail.
Right, 5 pulls, 5 Grails. Wow, so we got a dupe, we got a Grail, we got another Grail, so we're gonna go again. And Nikki's crushing it, so keep going, buddy.
Oh, right, never mind.
Yeah, okay. I feel like we should be marching around the room with this music. Here we go. Oh, buddy boy!
Oh my god.
A legendary! New! That's what we needed. Alright.
It's new, but I still get to pick next time because it was pretty good luck.
Oh, listen to you. Alright, let me just get this here. So, legendary Donald.
Because we wanted something new,
go.
so that's good luck to get something new, and then getting a Grail also good luck, so I can basically do
That's awesome. Alright, 2 days, 3 cubes, 2 Grails, and a legendary. I mean, this is starting off strong. Well done, bud. Okay. Well, we will see you guys tomorrow for hopefully more good luck. And Nikki will be picking because he just said so, I guess.
You did, too.
Kinda. I don't know. All right. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. This is getting good.